Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Duolingo account. All right, you can do this on the phone app or by using your web browser. It could be on your phone or from your computer. Just go ahead and go to duolingo.com. Now, once you're in here, instead of clicking or tapping on Get Started, just go ahead and click or tap on I already have an account, even if you don't. All right, tap on it. Now, in here, as you can see, there's an option to sign up right here at the top right. Tap on it. Now in here, it will ask you to create your profile. Just go ahead and type in your age, for example, 27. Name is optional. And just go ahead and type in your email right here and also password, which I'm going to do right now. Once done typing, just go ahead and tap or click on create account. All right. If you want it to be faster, you can go ahead and use your Facebook as an option if you have a Facebook account. Now, as you can see here, it will start asking you what you'd like to learn. For example, I wanted to learn Spanish. Hit on continue. So basically in this particular section, you're going to have to tap on continue multiple times. All right. How did you hear about Duolingo? YouTube. Continue. Why are you learning Spanish? Maybe prepare for travel. Continue. How much of Spanish do you know? I'm new to Spanish. Continue. Continue. Maybe 5 minutes a day. Continue. Start from scratch. Continue. Just hit on continue. As you can see here, it's currently loading. We're going to follow these prompts right here. Which one of these is a girl? La niña. Continue. All right. As you can see here, I've finished the particular lesson. Just go ahead and hit on continue. Continue again. Skip. Continue. Continue. That's basically how you do it. All right. You just created your account. You go to these 3 dots right here. Go to settings. And in here under account, you can go ahead and go to your profile. And there we have our account. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.